Country Estates, 2nd Edition. Located in the city of Miner, Scott County, Missouri, this 16.94-acre residential platted development is near build-ready, with utilities including water, sewer, and electricity already installed. There are 35 pre-platted lots ready for road infrastructure, just minutes to the nearby urban shopping and dining amenities of Miner and Sikeston, Missouri. It is the perfect project for that investor, developer, or home builder ready to finish it out. With the single-family home market demand heating up and low supply in the area, this is an excellent investment return on capital opportunity. Contact listing agent Chris Gier for more information.